So hello guys, welcome back to my video, and in this video I am going to answer the most common questions related to Acer Nitro 5. So without wasting any of your time, let's get into the video. So the first question is, do you have any thermal issues on this laptop? I have already answered this question in my previous video, but still let me answer it again. I don't have any thermal issue in this laptop. Actually, this laptop have a ventilators over here and two at back side. So it really have a good cooling system compared to other laptops at this price. I have tested a lot of games like RDR2, Call of Duty Warzone, and GTA 5, but still the average temperature was somewhere between 75 to 85 degrees Celsius. That's absolutely normal. But one thing that you need to be confirmed about, that you need to run your fans at max speed. So the next question is, do you have any screen bleeding issue in your laptop? Actually, I have a little bit screen bleeding issue over here, but that is not noticeable. You cannot notice it, and it's actually completely fine. In IPS display technology, you get screen bleeding issues, but that is not too much. It's only little bit, so you cannot notice it. So so the next question is, bro, is this laptop good for gaming and video editing? Yes, bro, this laptop is really good for video editing and gaming. I have already made the benchmark test of this laptop. If you have still not seen that, you can go in the I button. I will put over there. You can see it from there. In most recent game, it can provide you around 50 to 60 FPS at the highest setting possible. And while talking about video editing, it has NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti. That's a 4 GB graphic card that is absolutely good for video rendering, and also it comes with i5 10 generation. So i5 10 generation with 6050 Ti is actually very powerful. So it can give you a very good gaming performance as well as a video editing performance, and it is also fast in works like programming, in animations, in creating animations. So if you're looking for a good laptop that is actually good for daily use and gaming laptops and video editing, so you can consider buying this laptop. I'll put the link in the description. And the third question is, bro, is this laptop RGB? Okay, you mean the keyboard. Okay, so the keyboard is actually RGB. It is a 4-zone backlit RGB keyboard. Means you can modify the colors of the keyboard by yourself. This is the zone 1, this is zone 2, this is zone 3, and this is zone 4. Means you can have 4 different color at a time in all the zones. So the next question is about the battery backup, the most common question actually. So it's a gaming laptop, so while gaming you can get maximum up to 2 hours of gaming only, because NVIDIA GeForce GTX 6050 Ti uses external power. So you can get around 2 hours of gaming with on battery power. And while talking about normal uses like YouTube, Zoom classes, you can get around 5 to 7 hours of use. I attend my online class with this laptop only, so I get around 5 hours of backup, maximum 5 hours of backup and minimum 4 hours of backup, depending on the brightness of your laptop and other things. And while seeing YouTube videos, you can get around 7 hours of backup. Okay, so the next question is this laptop better than Asus TUF A50 and Lenovo IdeaPad and HP Pavilion? So these 4 laptops are the best mid-range laptops. These are the most competitive laptops, but there are few reasons why I personally choose this laptop. So the first reason is really the thermals. I have always been saying this. This laptop is the best. This laptop has the best thermal and the cooling system than any other laptop at this price. So you can in terms of thermal, this is the best laptop. And while talking about the graphic card, in this price you can only get graphic card that is NVIDIA GTX 6050 Ti or 6050. So 6050 Ti, obviously it is a very powerful graphic card. It can provide you a lot of FPS during gaming, and it's all an i5 10 generation. So i5 10 generation is really good. It has base clock speed of 2.5 GHz and turbo up to 4.5 GHz. But Okay, so the next question that might come in your mind is this laptop better than Ryzen 5 4600? Okay, so this is a very tough question. While talking about single core performance, Intel is better than Ryzen 5 4600 in single core performance. But while talking about multi core performance, Intel lags behind because Ryzen 5 4600 comes with 6 cores that give it a slighter boost over Intel i5 10th generation in terms of multi-core. But still, this laptop is really good. You can buy this laptop because at this price you will not get any other laptop that has specifications like this laptop. Okay, so when we talk about the price of the laptop, this laptop is currently available for 62,000 on Amazon. So if you are considering to buy this laptop, I will leave the link in the description. You can check it out from there. So now